Today I want to talk about a quick fix of how to use a microwave oven when it is in bad position and when we do not have the plate which goes in the microwave. Like yesterday I was heating this lentils bag and the bag just flipped down and it all fell in the microwave. I'm going to show you that. It's nasty, it's not looking good, but I just want to give this tip, so I'm showing it. So this is the microwave I'm going to show. It's really dirty, I'm sorry about that. See the lentils, they fell there and it splashed all over the microwave. It's looking ugly and gross, but then it's food that we ate yesterday, so I don't think it's that bad. I'm going to do the cleaning now, but I want to give you this tip, and the tip is, like, I removed the glass from here, so it is in the sink. I have to clean it, but I wanted to heat something right away now. I had coconut oil in this. It was thick and solid, so I had to heat this in microwave. I did heat now, so I thought I'll give this tip. So for this I just thought, like, I will use this plate instead of a big one on the middle thing. This is what turns around in the microwave, so I'm going to place this very carefully, checking the center, and now I'll be keeping this very carefully in the center. The weight has to be on in the center so that it stands and it rotates. Now I'll be closing the door and say I'm turning one, and you can see it's turning round. It's not very visible, but yes, it does. I put 1 minute. You don't need that much because it's just taking 22 seconds and this is ready. So I have the oil here. So what I'm trying to show in this video is, when we ladies, we are really busy and we need to use a microwave, and the plate is not there, we can always use the little plates that go right in the center rotating thing, and we can finish our job, whatever we have to do. So I hope somebody will use this tip when in need, and thank you for watching my video, and have a good Sunday. Bye.